What's going on, guys and girls? I hope you're all doing really well. Another late video. I know, I'm sorry, but life is manic at the moment. We've got loads going on business-wise, which I'm hoping to run you all through very soon once things are confirmed. We've taken on somebody new, a guy called Sam, who is brilliant. He's doing really well. So give him some love, because God knows he needs it, working with me all the time. Business-wise, there's lots of things happening, lots of new avenues that we're pursuing, lots of things that we're trying to do, which I will go into more detail as and when I can. But for the meantime, just know that I'm trying my best to get these videos out. I'm now here at, God knows what time it is, 20 past 11. Don't know if you can hear Heath in the background. Yeah, that's my job. So, the second part of this video is an HPS golf day I went to, so organised by the merchants, and was honestly brilliant. First one I've ever done. Absolutely loved it. Raised loads of money for Great Ormond Street Hospital, so it was all good. Definitely feeling a little bit worse for wear the next day, but we got through it just about. So yeah, shorter video this week. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I will get a tool review video out soon. Loads of people have been asking me for it. What I'm going to do is go through my go bag, so my bag that I take into every job with me. I'm going to go through that, and as part of that, I promise there will be a giveaway from 1,000 subs from God knows where to go. But yes, we're going to do a giveaway as part of that. Please remember, if you enjoy the video, click like. If you've not already, click that subscribe button, click the little bell, notifications on so you don't miss anything. Really helps me out, and it just lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content also. If you want to get in touch with me, comment below, DM me. I'm on Instagram. There's all sorts of ways you can get a hold of me. So any questions or any comments, please do go ahead. Love to hear from you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this short video this week. Stick around to the end to watch some terrible golf from me. Other than that, hope you're good, and I will catch you in the next one. Welcome back. So we are back with another little gem today, a little kingfisher room sealed. So they've just had their kitchen redone. Ooh, lovely. And then this is their utility room, which is also in the process of being redone. And they've decided that let's just get rid of this monstrosity and put a nice little tidy 18 RI. So kitchen fitter, which by the way, best kitchen fitter I've ever worked with. Absolute dreamboat. So he's penciled out where the cupboard sits. He's even given me internal lines. Isn't he good? Right? So we've got 18 RI going on here, flew straight out the wall. We've got 2 returns to link and a flow, 28, 15, 22, living the dream. It's gonna be fun. So obviously it's been chopped and changed over the years and whatever else, and gravity hot water taken out. So we've got these to take out. That's our gas down there. So basically what we will do is cut these off and put them straight into the boiler. The gas we will bring up in the corner and along, and then condense will come down, same line, and then all the way along over to our waste pipe over there. So that is the plan. Other things we've got to do while we are here is, obviously that's got to come out and be bricked up, and then our new flue is going to come out here, so we just need to make sure we're far enough away from that and that, which should be quite comfortable. And then we've got a couple of radiators just to put back on. Oh yeah, looking forward to that. So we'll set the tripod. We're just draining now. I've got Sam, who you don't know. Ooh. But I'm trying to convince him to be on camera, but he's a little bit camera shy, so we'll get there. Don't panic, I'll introduce you. But he's basically the guy who's now working with me. He's upstairs, opening bleed vents. We isolated the tank, so we're keeping this all as open vented. We're literally just taking this out, heat only on the wall. Let's get it on. Okay, we've come to the worst bit of any plumber's day. Whoa, rowdy. Worst bit of any plumber's day. Haven't got any press fit tees, so I'm gonna have to get the solder gear out. Sad, sad times. Just sent Sam off to go and grab some cable because I forgot I ran out last job. He's taken the van, and what I haven't done is got out any pipe or my 15mm guide to bend it. So I've just gone to put the gas main in, and I can't. So there was me thinking, I don't know, I'll send him out, save me some time, and I can crack on here. And now I'm sat here scratching my head because there's nothing I can do. Living the dream. Done for day one. Let me show you around, turn you around, show you around. Let me turn you around and show you what we've done. So obviously old boiler, stay in my hands. That's what you get with our old boiler, isn't it? That's come out. So I've just thrown in a temporary feed for now because the kitchen fitter is gonna, this is a bit of a mess in here. So he's gonna, when he replasters all of this, he's gonna fix this up. So he told me just leave him slack and temporary. So I've clipped it up and round for now. So he can change that when he wants to. Got gas pipe and condenser that are dropping down. So gas is obviously connected in there. Condensers here, obviously we've got units and worktop coming across here. So this is the only thing that will pop through the top of it. Filters in, linked around this side. So we've decided to bring the return in the bottom and then the flow at the top and linked in there on that 28 there, that's our flow. So things we've got left to do is, so we've knocked, so obviously the old flue was about this size here, but we've knocked these out so that we can put full bricks in, so we can key it in so it looks a bit better. Got a little bit more, so that I've just seen that needs to be knocked out. That wall tie can go back in the new mortar bed, and we've got, the customer's got some bricks, so we'll brick all this up in the morning, and that needs sealing in behind that rubber, and then we need to commission. Done all our testing, got it up and running for them this evening, so it's been flushed, so it's a good day. I know a lot of people will do these in a day, but I like to take my time with it. I've got micro bore here, so my big thing was getting it flushed and filled. We got a fair amount of stuff out of it as well, so I will at one point do a video on my flushing and how I do it, but at the moment I'm so busy I can't spend that time. So we're doing well, so we'll be back here tomorrow morning, probably a couple of hours, just sealing those bits up, filling out the paperwork, talking to the customer through everything, and then yeah, that'll be another one done. So catch you in the morning. Okay, so we finished that job this morning, but I couldn't film because the kitchen fit was back in making all sorts of racket, but we finished it all up. Customer's all happy, paid me today, can't ask for more than that. So we are all done there. Moving on to the next one. Tomorrow morning, we've got something a little bit different. So I'm going to hopefully chuck that in on this video as well. Hopefully I can get lots of good footage. Something a little bit different. 12 years I've been in the game and never actually managed to get out and do one of these. So really excited to actually finally do one. So I hope you like this next bit. A bit weird, but we're going with it. Here we are. So just turned up on the morning, about to go and grab some breakfast, see how much footage we can get. Let's get it on. I've got it, Jack, I've got it! Right, that is the end of the golf. I didn't get as much footage as I'd like to have done, but that's the nature of things. I'm also there to have a good time. So wicked day so far. We just had to come back and change. One of the guys I know is actually staying tonight. I'm not. I'm going home because I've got 2 kids at home and work tomorrow. So I've just come to use his hotel room, have a quick shower, get changed, chuck on a shirt and a tie, apparently, whatever it is. And then, yeah, we're going to head over now, have some dinner. And then there's some prizes, a raffle. And this whole day is for Great Ormond Street Hospital. So all throughout the day, there's been all sorts of different challenges. You know, longest drive, close to the pin, blah, blah, blah. All that sort of stuff where you just chuck in a tenner and it all goes to Great Ormond Street. So, which is, you know, you can't really ask for more than that. It's a day out with a load of your mates and colleagues playing golf, but also raising a load of money for Children's Hospital. Perfect, right? So anyway, we're going to head over now. Going to have a couple of drinks and get some food in us. And then back to work tomorrow.